case, if you get 17 out of 100 or you get a 13 out of 100, you have failed nicely. You understand? No, you deserve to fail. This is called good failure. And you get 12 out of 100, 13 out of 100. Now what happens? You get a 38 out of 100. Or yes, the worst of case, what happens? You get a 58 out of 100. And then after that, in one subject, you have got 39. That is why the group is not clear. And that is why you've not got the exemption also, because it is 58. And now getting 58 when you need to study the subject again. And when you get a 197 out of 400, just because of 3 marks, your group is not cleared. Now that is the dangerous failure. Now that is a very pricking, it hurts very badly, this type of a failure. 17 out of 100, you deserve to fail. So that means I'm not telling you that if you fail, you should fail properly. Okay, I'm just telling you. I'm not telling you that way, but I'm telling you, like, it's, you just keep on thinking, oh, when you have to study the subject again, oh, I had got 58 in this subject, but look at me, I have to study the subject again. And then, that time I got 58, no confidence, no guarantee that this time the story will be repeated. That was so your luck, no? Okay, whatever questions came and whatever preparations you did and all, right? Because of that, you got the 58 over there, right? So these are all the challenges which are there in the preparation of the CA exams, or what you say, particularly for the audit paper. Another big challenge for the audit paper is that students understand. I don't know what they want to do with the understanding. Do they want to make a pickle out of their understanding? I don't know. But they say, ma'am, I understand everything. But what to do with your understanding? No, we have to be able to write. We need to have amazing presentation skills. We need to have appropriate time management so that we are able to, okay, whatever we understand, it is able to procure marks for us in the exam. Otherwise, what is the use of your understanding? I say it is okay if you don't understand also. As far as you are able to write it correctly in the paper, as far as your presentation in the paper is good, as far as your time management is good, then understanding can come later also. But what happens, students, first they don't know. Second, if they know, they are not able to do the writing part in the paper. So that needs to be taken very seriously and on priority in the audit paper regarding the writing of the answers. Like students, they will study chapter wise, they will study, in the flow of the discussion. But all of a sudden, when a question is put in front of them, are they able to answer the question? They are not able to answer the question. All of a sudden an NBFC question is put, or a public sector undertaking question, or a SEBI LODR, or an ethics question, or a CARO question. No, they don't have the adequate preparation. They don't have the adequate practice, so that when a question is asked, what I need to write, what should be the format of the answer, what should be the content of the answer. So there are so many factors which are required to be taken into consideration. Okay.